Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where the keyboard and mouse stopped working when the USB flash drive was plugged in into your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is that you need to check the USB ports and connections, remove the USB drive and try to plug it into a different port. Now this is to isolate the case where the USB port drivers are interfering with the drivers of the mouse and the keyboard. But one more thing is that the USB may have content applications which may be preventing the function of the keyboard and mouse. So you can set this option for autoplay accordingly. Okay, go to autoplay settings, and then for removable drive you can select this option, take no action. So by default it will not run that software and you will be able to use the keyboard and mouse, but that is if the issue was with the software. Otherwise you can consider updating the drivers in Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, click on advanced options, select optional updates and install the optional updates. Return to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.